Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. This is our evening time, drive time update. Hey guys, we're going to talk about a whole bunch of stuff. We're going to talk about Dogecoin, we're going to talk about Bitcoin as the bottom in, and we're also going to talk about 4 important things that you need to know right now. And this 4 important things could save your day, save your crypto, and save you from losing a lot of money out there, guys. So we're going to talk about that. It's going to be huge news. It looks like, Dogecoin's looks like he's being sued, and he could be going to jail very soon for tax evasion in Korea right now. So we're going to talk about all of that. So right now, if we look at the U.S. markets, so far we're seeing that the Nasdaq is slightly in the green. We're seeing that the S&P right now is about to flip green, and we're seeing that the Dow Jones should be flipping green. And remember that Thursdays is often a reversal day out there, ladies and gentlemen. So that is looking pretty bullish, that we could be having a green day on Wall Street finally, because we're seeing so much Debbie Downness out there. But if we look at the crypto bubbles out there, we're seeing that overall in the last 7 days, and this is the last 7 days, we're seeing that a lot of the projects have actually started to turn green on a 7-day basis. On a day-to-day basis, maybe some volatility, some things may be red, some things may be green. But overall, on a 7-day basis, things are looking uppity up, guys. So right now, as I talked about earlier, our fear and greed is at 13. And remember, this is a contrarian indicator out there. So, what you should be doing is, this is a good time to be dollar cost averaging, buying the dips. And remember, Thursday is OG's dollar cost average day. So today I picked up some Bitcoin. Let me just get to the heat map. Today I picked up some Bitcoin, picked up some Ethereum. I picked up some Cardano in-house, because we're going to talk about Cardano as well. Right now, we can see that the price of ADA is around about 53 cents. And with Charles in the house with ADA is a very good project. You're not going to have to worry about Dogecoin and Terra Labs and that whole $40 billion rug pull out there. That you're not going to have to worry about with Cardano. Sure, the price may be moving slowly, but it's a good project, I think, overall. Remember, this is not financial advice, and none of this that you hear is financial advice. This is just OG expressing his opinion. But overall, we're seeing that Cardano has just been really kind of range bound between 50 cents and 61 cents for almost since we had this huge debacle and crash, and that's been since the 11th of May. So that's almost like 8 days. We've just been going sideways, and for most of the cryptos have been going sideways. So we can even see that happening with Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin has also been just going sideways. It's at 29,686. It did go as low today as we did flash down as low as around about 28,000. A low is about 29,000, 28,900 in that area. So Bitcoin is also just going sideways, but we're seeing a little bit of a positive momentum, and today could be a huge reversal day. If you look at Bitcoin on the weekly, now guys and gals, we're about to we got 3 days and 11 hours away of painting an 8th consecutive red day in the house for Bitcoin. Keep watching, guys. We still got the 4 things that you need to know. 4 things absolutely that you need to know if you're in crypto space. We're still going to be talking about the Doge or Wozier, guys and gals. Remember, God bless the community. God bless you. And I just want to thank you all. Without you, this channel wouldn't be possible. So, God bless you all. Be safe. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. And, super chats are welcome, guys. So getting back to Bitcoin, we're seeing that Bitcoin is as well on the weekly is at 29,660. And it's looking pretty fine. And, we're still in our blue box zone. So we've been kind of accumulating in this blue box zone for over a week now, almost 2 weeks in this blue box zone. So this is a good reversal zone, and I believe we're going to be reversing, guys and gals, amoebas out there. So the top 10 mentions coins on Twitter right now. Of course, Bitcoin is taking center stage. A lot of people are getting tired of Luna and all this discussion, and you can see that there's a lot of greed that went into Luna when it tanked, and people thought they were going to make a quick buck with Luna, and they aped in like crazy. And a lot of people are behind the 8 ball right now. For Luna. Let me just pull Luna up. Sorry, that was Ethereum out there. So you can see that we have this kind of like descending line here, and this line is just going down, down. So I'm holding the red bear. You can't see me hold the red bear, but I'm holding the red bear. And I don't know. I mean, with this whole Luna Tuna vote that's the vote that's happening, and basically they're going to fork Luna off, and basically the Luna Classic is just going to become almost like another non-utility meme coin out there. So what can I say? I think Luna's done and dusted out there. Absolutely done and dusted. So, like I said, that's why Luna is, slipping from number one most mentioned, and, followed by Ethereum, Litecoin, Solana in the house, Cardano, XRP, Shiba Inu, Digibyte, and Terra USD. So that's what people are talking about. But, I put my faith in Bitcoin. I put my faith in the top cryptocurrencies out there. There's also breaking news. You can now buy Bitcoin directly with two major credit cards in Israel. So that's pretty bullish news, guys. Jack Dorsey's block is developing a Bitcoin wallet with three parts: a mobile app, a hardware device, and a self-serve recovery tool. So this is going to be, a non-custodial wallet, and it's also going to be a hardware device. So that's going to be pretty cool to be keeping your crypto on that. So way to go, Jack Dorsey in the house. So this is also coming from BTC Fuel. I want to thank BTC Fuel for this tweet. Thank you very much, brother. It's unlikely that Bitcoin closes below the blue trend line. Up only season is about to start very soon. So, we have these trend lines not only for Bitcoin. Bitcoin in 2020 had this trend line, and Bitcoin respected this trend line and then bounced up from it. And it looks like, Bitcoin is also respecting the same trend line. And, this is really the parallel channel that I have been showing, have been talking about. And we seem to be respecting this line. I think we're going to be doing a movement to the upside. And we're also seeing that the S&P is also following a very much similar fractal and is also respecting that blue line. So that's good. That's a good indicator, good indicative movement to the upside. And the bottom is closer. If we look at this 200-day moving average here, we've actually only broken down from it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. This was a Corona dump here, and the 5th time. And every time we went down below that, we went up. We definitely went up. Sure, it wasn't instantaneous. A lot of people are like, oh, what do you mean? We're going up. Well, these things don't happen instantaneously. That is what that's all about. So that's pretty positive. I want to give a big shout out to Crypto Poseidon for sharing that on Twitter. Thank you, brother. Much love. And also, this is coming in from Rec Capital in the house. And what Rec Capital is saying is that the RSI is now entering a period that has historically preceded outside returns. So this is a RSI level, and every time that we've hit these RSI levels, we often see a bounce to the upside. So that is pretty positive. And we've seen these reversals back in January 2015. We saw them back in December 2018 and March in 2020 when we had that whole Corona dump. So that's pretty positive, and that's just more indicativeness of there's a reversal will be coming. I mean, it may not come tomorrow, and it may not be in the next hour, the next minute, the next second, but it's definitely coming, guys. Definitely coming. So these are the 4 things that you guys definitely need to be aware of. Looks like Terra whales break silence on network collapse. So a lot of prominent investors have been speaking out. We had Galaxy Digital, Novogratz said that Terra was a big idea that failed, and Delphi Digital admitted that they lost their entire Luna. Where Pantera Capital, they were lucky because they actually did sell the majority of their Luna last year, so they came out unscathed. And as you guys know, that Novogratz, he did actually tattoo the Luna logo on his arm with a wolf, crying to the moon. And so he's just said he's going to leave that on his arm as a reminder of what bad things could happen, guys. So that's kind of interesting, right? So like I said, Pantera, they got hit. They were pretty lucky. They sold most of their Luna, but Galaxy Digital and Delphi Digital, they basically lost everything. They got totally crushed by this whole debacle out there. So if we take a look at the leveraged apes in the house right now, we're seeing about 86,791 leveraged apes got a wreckity wreck. And that's about $268 million of wreckage out there. And if you look over the last 24 hours, you're seeing more. There's been actually, it's kind of weird. We got more Ethereum wreckage and BTC wreckage out there as well. So that's kind of weird and wacky. Of course, there's nobody leverage trading Luna because there's nothing to trade, guys. It's going to zero, guys. That's just my opinion, guys. Don't be bad. None of this is financial advice. So we're seeing some shorts on the hourly time frame. So hopefully that will push up the Bitcoin price. Then that will take it higher and higher out there. So it looks like things are coming back a little bit. But often this could be a fake out because often Thursdays are a huge reversal day, guys. So let's talk about this. Is from Michael Novogratz in the house, and he's sharing some of the important things that we need to understand. These are 4 important things that we need to do do as crypto investors, not traders, you guys, like I always keep saying, you've got to have a diversified portfolio. You know, even if you love the Doge, like I love the Doge, we're going to talk about Doge, we're going to talk about Doge informatics as well. Is that, you know, you just can't have everything in one basket. You know, if you're holding 100% Luna, I mean, you've just walked away with almost nothing. So that's why it's always good to have a good balanced portfolio. And that's why I always, you know, not insist, but advise, this is what I do, this is not financial advice, of course, is that you want to have 50% in Bitcoin, 25% in Ethereum, and the last 25% in the big caps, and maybe some in the mid caps. And then you won't go wrong with that. That way, if one project like Luna tanks and goes to zero, at least that, you know, by diversification, your total losses are not going to be too bad out there. Also, you've got to learn to take profits. A lot of people, they don't know how to take profits. They keep on thinking that project's going to go up forever. They don't. Remember, crypto is volatile. There's no regulation. So, guys, do take your profits. And my basically, I take profits when anything's 200% or more. I take 50% off the table. That way, I pay myself and cover my initial investment, guys. So that's what I do. That's not financial advice. And you know, you need to have a risk management framework. And you know, number 4, you need to understand that all investments happen in a macro framework, not on a micro, but a macro. So you need to look at the long-term perspective of things. You can't look at the, you know, 1 minute chart or the 2 minute chart or even the 15-minute chart, because, you know, that's not going to really tell you anything. But, you know, sometimes you just got to zoom out. Wendy, trendy is your friendy out there. And that is so key. Those are the main things that you guys need to know when you're, you know, dealing with crypto and trading with crypto. And that really goes not only for crypto, for any of the, you know, any of the stocks out there as well, guys. So, you know, the Dogecoin right now is down around about 2.67%. And, you know, it's trading at 8 cents and some change. So Dogecoin has been pretty much going sideways, and it's kind of holding its own, even though we had some, you know, some volatility, some range-bound volatility for Bitcoin. Dogecoin is still holding its own, so that's pretty good in the house. So right now, for the price of Dogecoin, we're seeing that Dogecoin is basically going sideways, and, you know, it's really kind of going sideways really within this channel right here. So that is pretty good. It's trading at 8 cents, and, you know, we've got some really good support at 8 cents, and we're getting pretty close to about 8.5 cents. So, you know, we're just waiting for Bitcoin to confirm, and then we're going to have a big breakout to the upside. So that's pretty positive in the house, guys. So, you know, more from Terra Luna. Do Kwon faces tax evasion charges. You guys all know that he is not paying this $78 million in taxes. And the Korean government, they want their money. And it looks like we have a law firm that is seizing a property. So it looks like a law firm is also filing a class action suit against other investors. And they're starting to go after property in Korea, guys. So, you know, I guess Do Kwon is hiding a line low out there, guys. So that's what's going on with that, guys. I think Cardano is a long-term, it's a very good, solid project out there. I love Cardano. Let's take a look at Ethereum price in the house right now. So Ethereum right now, at time of recording, is just slightly below 2,000. It's at 1,942 bucks in the house, guys. And, you know, I like Ethereum. Ethereum is a solid project long-term. It's something that I would be holding long-term. It's going to have its upsies and downsies, but, you know, overall, I'm not too worried about, you know, Ethereum, because, you know, that's what people build stuff on. Ethereum is definitely the building blocks. Ethereum is like the land. Bitcoin is like the land, and Ethereum is like the buildings. You can build stuff on top of the land, and that's why Ethereum is a very good long-term project. And, you know, when we talk about Ethereum and Dogecoin, we know we got this bridge happening, right, guys? We got the bridge. You know, Vitalik just sent a whole bunch of money over to the Dogecoin Foundation to help that. And I think this Ethereum bridge is coming soon. We got the Doge X1 mission on the June 28th. That date's been updated from June 1st. So I guess it's been a bit of a pushback. But, you know, these are positive catalysts. You know, Elon Musk has been pretty quiet right now about the Doge, and that is because he's, you know, focused on this Twitter deal right now. So that's what's going on with that. Let's take a look at the total market cap in the house. So we are at 1.27 trillion. The volumes are still kind of light, guys. I remember Thursday's reversal day. The dominance is way too high. But, you know, overall, if we look at the 7-day period, we can see that Bitcoin is up, Ethereum is up. On a 7-day period, BNB is up. XRP is up, Solana is up, ADA is up 13%, Doge is up, DOT is up, Avalanche, Tron, Shiba, matic. So you're seeing over the last 7 days, basically everything is up, guys, and that's why this crypto bubbles actually shows that basically everything is up right now. So that is pretty positive news. On a daily basis, though, things are mixed right now. I think we're going to get a reversal out there. Let's take a look at the stonks one more time. So you're seeing that the stonks right now, the Nasdaq has actually gone down. So we're not going to get much of a reversal for the stonks out there. It is going down, guys. So it is what it is. It is what it is, guys and gals. So guys, do follow me on my Twitter. I would appreciate it. We got 4,427 followers. Don't forget to go smash the likes, boop the likes for humans out there. Give super chats, and don't forget to go down and check all the links, guys. We've got tons of links. Go get it. And guys, check out the merch, guys. We got hats and hoodies, and get the merch, guys. So guys and gals, I just want to say God bless each and every one of you out there. It's a great time to be alive. On a weekly basis, the crypto is looking better than it was a week ago. So that's positive, guys. I mean, everything was like red, right, when we had the lunar crashy tanky tank. So I'm positive, guys. So God bless you all. And I just want to say, I'll see you in the next one. Be well. Go with God. Be with God. Peace out, guys. I'll see you in the next one. God bless.